So today we're going to see how to connect to Azure VMs using the service Azure Bastion. So first we're going to search for this service Azure Bastion. We're going to put here Bastions and just click here Bastions. And now we're going to click the create button. We're going to select our subscription or reserve group. We're gonna put a name. We're going to select our region. In this case, we're going to select East US and our availability zones. We can select all the zones or just leave it in none. For tier, we're going to select the standard tier. And for the instance count, I think that the minimum is 2. Let's see, yeah, it's 2. We're going to select the virtual network where the Bastion is going to be deployed. And this service, the Azure Bastion service, use a dedicated subnet, so it's going to create a subnet called Azure Bastion subnet. We're going to select it, and also it uses a public IP. So it's going to create, in case you don't have a free public IP, it's going to create a new one. So we click next. We can like enable any of this option. We're going to leave it like this for now, and click next. Click next, and click create. So it's going to start to create the Bastion right now. Okay, after the creation complete, we can go back to the Bastion service, and we can see the Bastion here already created. So here we can like see information like the tier, the public IP, and other kind of things. So now if we want to connect to the virtual machines, we can go to virtual machines. We can select the virtual machine that we want to connect. Let's click Bastion, and here it's going to ask for the credentials, so we put our credentials. And it's going to open a new tab in the browser, so let's click connect. We are going to allow that we can copy to our clipboard. So now it's logging. And we are now in the operating system, so that's how we can connect using Azure Bastion to the virtual machines. This is a Windows virtual machine, but we can do that also with Linux virtual machine. It is the same process. We click Bastion and we put our credentials. And let's click connect. It's going to open a new tab. So now we are inside the Linux virtual machine. So that's all, and this is how we can connect to virtual machines using the Azure Bastion service.